Assalamu alaikum everyone, hope you all are fine, and today I'm gonna compare Hang Feng lip and cheek tint with Mariam Parvez lip and cheek tint. So before the video starts, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and if you like this video, so please do like this video, share and comment. So without any further ado, let's get to the comparison. So first of all, we are going to make Mariam Parvez tint, but I'm gonna make it half the quantity, so I have to half all the things that are used in that tint. So I'm gonna take half spoon of aloe vera gel, 2 spoons of rose water, and half teaspoon of red food color, but I'm gonna dilute this because I didn't got the liquid one at the market, so I took this powdered food color. So I'm gonna dilute it in water, and then I'm gonna use 2 to 3 drops of this almond oil. So let's make it. And then she turned it into a creamy consistency, so we are gonna turn this into a creamy consistency also. The aloe vera gel has turned into a creamy consistency, so now we are gonna add 2 teaspoons of rose water. And mix this all. So now this has mixed, so now we are gonna add our red food color. First of all, I'm going to dilute it in a tablespoon of water. So I'm gonna add this inside this mixture, and I'm gonna mix this all. So it has turned into a watery consistency. Now she added 4 to 6 drops of oil, so I'm gonna add 2 to 3 drops of oil. And mix this all together. So I'm gonna transfer it into a bottle, and then I'm gonna let it sit for 30 minutes as she did, so that all the things would mix properly, and then I'm gonna apply it. Now that you have seen that how I made the Mariam Parvez lip and cheek tint, so let's get to the comparison. Let's talk about Mariam Parvez lip and cheek tint. So first of all, I'm gonna apply it onto my face. I'm gonna apply it onto this side of my face. One cheek I'm gonna apply this one, and on the other cheek I'm gonna apply the Hang Feng one. So if I apply this tint onto my lips, it's quite runny, so it doesn't give that much color. Hang Feng lip and cheek tints come in 6 different colors. They have 2 shades of red, they have 2 shades of pink, and they have 2 shades of peach, or you can say orange. So I'm gonna take the peach one and apply it onto my cheeks. I'm gonna take the darker red color and apply it onto my upper lip. If I talk about Mariam Parvez tint, so it's really good and price efficient because it's made of all the things that are available at your home. But there's one thing that it's not good for your lips, but it's good for your cheeks because it's quite runny and it doesn't stay onto your lips. But this one is good for your cheeks because it doesn't stain immediately, so you have time to blend it all onto skin. You need to apply it all over. And the most important thing is that this is really quite cost efficient because it's made of all the things that are available at your home, and it gives a quite good shine onto your face, and if you want to apply it onto your cheeks, it's well and good. Third thing about this tint is that you don't have that much color choice. It's just simple red food color, so if you want, you can make a less darker shade, or more darker shade of red, but it's just red color, so it doesn't have that much shade variety or color variety. So on the other hand, if we talk about Hang Feng lip and cheek tint, so it has 6 different colors, or you can say 3 different colors with 3 lighter shades of those colors. And the second thing is it is costly because you have to buy it from the market or online. This kit cost me 500 rupees, and I ordered it online. It don't cost that much as other lip and cheek tints cost, and this one is also not that costly. So whole point of this video was to explain to you that best lip and cheek tint for your lips and cheeks, which is in less cost. And no offense to anyone, no offense to Mariam Parvez, or no offense to Hang Feng. I love Mariam Parvez, I adore her and her cute little daughter, and I also love Hang Feng products. Their products are really good and cost efficient, and you can buy them easily in the market. The fourth thing is the smell. So this one has a really rich smell of rose water. If you are not a fan of rich smells, so you can buy Hang Feng tints because they have really light peachy smell. And another thing about these tints is that you know all the ingredients used in this Mariam Pervez tint, and but you don't know what is used in the Hang Feng tint because there's only some Chinese written on back of it, so we don't know the ingredients. So if you want the best tint, so the Mariam Pervez is better because you know all the things that you're applying onto your face, and you would know that if it would cause any irritation to your face, or are you allergic to any ingredients. But you don't know any ingredients in these, so you don't know what you're applying onto your face. For me, this one suits for my cheeks, and this one suits for my lips. So I love both of them, and both of them are really good and cost efficient. So this was my honest review on both of these tints. So if you like this video, so please do like the video, share and comment, and do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so I can make more such videos. And I'll meet you in one other video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.